The sounds of the letters of the alphabet. A, B, K, D. E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. A, V, W, X. Y, Z. The 5 vowels. A, I, E, I, E, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, A. Let's spell and read. I makes in. Is is. It. If. In. Is. It. If. Let's sound and read. In. In. Is. It. It. If. In. Is. It. If. Let's sight read. In. Is. It. If. In. Is. It. If. Let's spell and read. O makes N-O, no. S-O, so. G-O, go. L-O, low. N-O, no. S-O, so. G-O, go. L-O, low. Let's sound and read. No, no. So, O so. G o go. L o low. N o no. S o so. G o go. L o low. Let's sight read. No, so, go, low. No, so, go, low. Let's sight read and remember. In, is, it, if, no, so, go, low. Once again. In, is, it, if, no, so, go, low. Thank you, God.